After I had a birthday party, me and with my friends, I decided to escort one of my friend Oregon to his living place, and this was one of the night ride which I had. And this place currently where I am is called Makumbusho. All of this area is called Makumbusho. This is one of the attractive place whereby there are big offices, there are government offices, there are rental offices. So if you ever get a chance to come in Tanzania, this is one of the nice place you can give a visit. There is a nice place to eat. There is a nice place to stay, like hotels, Airbnbs. And actually I can say the price is affordable, not so expensive. And all of these areas are safe, very safe, super safe. So if you get a chance to visit Tanzania, if you've never been in here, just consider giving it a visit. The nice was now, the ride was a nice one. There was no much traffic, even though it was a little, I can say, it was a little cold compared to other days. Even though when I say cold for Tanzanians, especially for visitors, you may find it is just normal day. So this is the nice view and the nice ride of this seat, as you can see. If it was a noon time, you could find a lot of cars, Bajajes, motorcycles. We call them boda, which is our common transport, especially if you are in a rush or you want to arrive somewhere early, but you don't have to have so much luggages. If just you can take a motorcycle and you can arrive where you are going so fast compared to when you take cars and other means of transport. And this road, I can say, is one of the road if you want to travel from city center to Mbezi Beach and the hotels along that road. This one of the road you can arrive home. You can arrive so fast. The way it is designed, cars, motorcycles, and the Bajajes, they travel at a certain speed, which is a little bit okay, but not at evening time. At evening time, it's a little bit slow because of the traffic. But at a time like this, from 2 p.m. From 2 p.m. and above, you can enjoy the transport at a fast pace. And this place is like all of this area is called Mikocheni or ITV area. To the left side is Mwenge, where a lot of offices for these small farmers, business people or businessmen. We call them machinga. All of these areas, they are in progress. And we have that a bus station for cars going around to Dar es Salaam. And this place where I'm approaching, it's called Mwenge. To the left is Mwenge, to the right is going to Coca-Cola or Mikocheni. The place where I am is, we call it Makongo, and there's this one of the area I can say it's a little bit elevated from the other areas where I'm going along the road. All of these areas you can experience one of the nice sea breeze. There is a nice wind from the ocean, because from this area it's not very far from the ocean or where the ocean is located. And that car is in front of me passing by. And there is a little hump over there. There is a hump this area. We have a small flyover, and the people can pass ahead there. In most of places in Dar es Salaam, if you come for the first time, you may find yourself as if they are new to you. But actually, Dar es Salaam city isn't that much big, and if you get a chance to have a couple of the visit, you get used to these places. And the names of places, they can be kind of confusing if it's your first time. But if you stay in Dar es Salaam for over a week with your friends or neighbors, you will get used to all of these places. And there are nice places to eat. We have these street foods. There are nice places. And actually, I can say, since I've been in Dar es Salaam, which is like I can say this 8th year since I've been here from my Iringa region, I never had the food poisoning. Everything is okay. There are some places which are less safe compared to other places, and mostly phone snatchers, so which I can say is a problem in every city. And this place where I am currently is called Mbezi. From here, we are not very far from my friend's place, so I will take my right turn, and then I will have to slow a little bit. There is U-turn in this area. And there we go. Taking a right turn, slow and steady to my left side. And actually, for those who never been in Tanzania, actually I can say the living expenses in Tanzania, they are not so much expensive. Even though for us here we can find it expensive because of the nature of our economic status and the other stuffs, but if you come to Tanzania, you can afford. If we can survive, you can too as well. So The house expenses are just normal, not so much expensive, and they are affordable. And actually, the price varies from one place to another place. We have this zone like, so if you want to live in places like Msasani, Masaki, and the other well-built areas like Mikocheni, the living prices the living expenses, especially for the house renters, can be a little bit higher for us, but for foreigners, it's okay, and they can afford. Places to eat, they are okay. There are nice restaurants. All right. After I went to my friend, right now we are back, and we are going back home to my living place, and this place is called the Mwenge, whereby a little bit in front of me will be close to Mlimani City, or Mlimani City area, where I can say, well, this is like a shopping area. To my left side, we call it Mwenge, and to my right side is what we actually call Mlimani City. There is, this place is like a business center. There is big mall. I can say we can get you everything you need in your home supplies, or if you want any groceries. When you are at this place, you can afford, and you can get it so easily. There are bank area, there are ATMs which support, I can say, all currencies, and the security is okay. You don't have to feel less secure when you're in this area, but you have to be careful, As I said before, there are less cars, but still we have to be very careful when we are having these night rides. At night time, everybody feel free to ride at a speed he or she wants, but being careful is one of the great tip when you are on the road. Just observe the speed you are going, vehicles or other road users around you. At the end, you will just arrive at home safely. And that's Mlimani City on the back there. The place which I'm showing is that we call Mlimani City Hall. If you have a wedding or any kind of function, ceremony, you can just rent the place there, and then you can have your event. After a short ride, we just arrived here. By this place, we call it Mawasiliano. And soon we will be approaching one of the flyover, which is along the road going to Morogoro Road in the city center, and this road which we are having, and all the way going to Mandela Road. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice and it's so calm. I do believe in the future years to come, Tanzania will be at a good progress level. I do believe there will be more cars, more roads, which are so well built. And that's the flyover, and they will be taking the top road. After the end of this flyover, I think it will mark the end of my night ride for today. But the best what I can say to you guys, thank you so much for watching. and enjoying this night ride together.
Like, comment, and subscribe.